question asked today is how and when to sleep with your newborn. So, after you have finished breastfeeding, I often like to encourage my mothers that I assist to enjoy the beautiful moment of just having baby on your chest, skin on skin. Just enjoy it. Your heartbeat and baby's heartbeat together. I often recommend that baby lies next to mom and dad's bed in a sideline bassinet. This really helps to make getting the baby in the night easy for mom, and baby is very, very close. So in my practice, we don't like newborns to sleep with parents initially because it can sometimes mean that mom might roll over baby, or baby might have too many blankets around them. So for safety, we prefer your baby to sleep on its back in a sideline bassinet or a co-sleeper device. Also, please, when baby sleeps, we don't want a beanie on baby because we don't want the baby to be too hot. Newborns cannot regulate their body temperatures. Also, the last point, make sure there is no smoke or anything in the room. If a dad does smoke, please can he smoke outside? And yes, for more, check me out, Nurse Judy K, Best Start Baby SA. We are here to give you safe breastfeeding practices. Hello, how do we birth a newborn baby? There are so many ways to birth a newborn baby, and you are going to get lots of opinions, lots of thoughts, and lots of unsolicited advice, literally from strangers. As an experienced midwife, mother, international lactation consultant, and director of Best Start Baby that works all over South Africa, I want to say to you, keep your baby close when you birth. I often love to do this burping technique. It's called heart on heart. You keep the baby, you place the baby's head to the side, and you gently pat baby from the bottom upwards. You then can also push your hand a little bit inwards and up, okay? And that will often help them. If this doesn't work, you can also lift your baby up under their shoulders, place them on your shoulder, and you can gently rub them up like this. Remember, they have very wobbly heads, so keep your hands secure around the neck. Another option is to also let your baby sit on your knee, and then you can support them on the top, and you can rub your hand up along their spine, and you can also pat gently, supporting your baby's neck and head at the same time. Thank you. Follow us for more. Nurse Judy K at Best Start Baby SA. Happy burping.